Hey you guys, so I wanted to make another video, and in this video I wanted to show you how to get a keyboard like this. So this is my keyboard. I customized it myself with this background. Obviously I didn't draw the background or anything like that. I just got that off the internet somewhere. I think it was on Instagram or something that I found this picture. But I wanted to make it the background of my keyboard because it's just really cool. And whenever I'm just outside at work or with my friends or whatever, they look at this keyboard and they're like, wow, how did you get this? Where did you get this? How do I get this design? How can I set my own design? And that's what I wanted to show you guys today. It's really, really cool. Look at that. You can just type just like normal keyboard, do whatever you want. So obviously this is SwiftKey. You're going to need an app called SwiftKey Keyboard. And that's all you need. Let me just, So you open the app up. Go to the themes. And then you have to go, there's like 3 sections here. Gallery, yours. You need to go to custom. And obviously you can see, this is my design. I can edit it anytime I want. You can even set the level of brightness by increasing this. And if you press start, you have to add an image. You can just choose whatever image you want. You can just choose any image from your phone gallery or Dropbox or anything you want. There's no restriction on that whatsoever. So you could just have like a picture of your cat or a picture of yourself or picture of something you downloaded on the internet. Anything you want, you can have. So it just allows for infinite creativity. And I think it's a really cool thing. SwiftKey only recently released this update. They didn't used to have this update. Before this update, all you could do is just choose from like these designs. And these are quite nice, but like they're just not anywhere near as good as creating your very own design. I mean, most people customize their lock screen or home screen, but this is something really unique that not many people would do. So if you do this, then you will I think you will stand out from your friends and they'll be like, wow, look at this girl or boy, she or he has a cool keyboard that they've customized all by themselves. Isn't that amazing?